Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Vixie Pulse. If this is your first time here, you are so very much welcome. It is hot in Wange. It is a freaking hot. Today is the 30th of November and tomorrow will be the 1st of December. You are going to be seeing this video on the 1st of December. And that's when we are starting what we call Vlogmas. What is Vlogmas? I feel the need to explain what Vlogmas is to you guys before I start doing it on the channel. Vlogmas is basically uploading videos from the 1st of December up to the 25th when there is Christmas. Basically vlogging for Christmas. So creating a video every day for the 25 days up to Christmas. Some usually take it up to 31 days or 30 days of December. But we are going to be doing 25 days. But if we manage to have content within here, we are going to be doing more than that. Now that you understand what Vlogmas is, if you do have any suggestions, any kinds of videos that you would want to see on this channel, please do comment down below. I'm very much flexible and I want to give you what you guys want, provided it is not politics, because I'm no longer doing that on the channel. Now the thing is, today is the 30th of November. I am very tired, I just finished walking 15.5 kilometers from my place to a Caulfield Primary School. This is a vlog that is going to come in later in the week. I'm going to show you guys how we did a walkathon, proudly sponsored by Inyarazo and the Friends of the Environment and other companies which are friends of the environment. It was really a nice experience. Really enjoyed ourselves, but at the same time I did realize that I'm not fit. I realized that I'm not really fit, so it is insane, it is crazy. Basically this video was just to introduce Vlogmas, to just teach you guys, because I know it may be a very common thing, a very well-known thing in other countries, but I do have subscribers here in Zimbabwe who may not understand what Vlogmas is, so we're just seeing it on my titles. So what is Vlogmas? I have already explained what Vlogmas is, and I'm pretty sure now you understand and you won't be questioning or asking in the comment section down below or wondering, what is she talking about? What is she saying? Vlogmas. You understand? So I'm going to be sharing with you a lot of content. God be with me, I do not get tired before the 25th of December. Anyway guys, thank you so much for listening to me, and thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. I understand the channel is transitioning and we are not getting as many views as we used to, but we are going to get there, because the trajectory that we are taking now, it is aiming for higher places. We are going far with the channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.